In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in Canva when the bold option isn't available. Sometimes you're working in Canva and the bold button just isn't there for the font you're using. That doesn't mean you're stuck with thin text. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable workaround that keeps your design clean and readable. First, open Canva on your desktop and log in. The desktop version gives you the full editing toolbar, which makes this process straightforward and consistent. Once you're in, either create a new design or open an existing one where you want your text to stand out. If you're opening an existing project, give it a second to load so all your font options populate properly. Click on the text you want to make bold. Make sure the text box is selected so the top editing toolbar becomes active. You should see your current font name at the top. Click the Font drop-down. Many fonts come with built-in weight variations, even if the bold button isn't visible. Look for versions labeled bold, black, or extra bold. Choosing one of these switches your text to a heavier weight without changing the typeface's overall style. This is the cleanest solution because it preserves spacing and keeps everything crisp. If your font doesn't offer a bold version, no problem. With the same text selected, click Effects in the top toolbar. From the Effects panel, choose Shadow. Now gently increase the offset and bump up the transparency slightly. This adds a subtle duplicate behind your letters, creating the look of thicker strokes without distorting the text. Keep adjustments modest so edges stay sharp, and the effect feels natural. A quick glance at your design at both normal and zoomed-out view will help you judge when it looks convincingly bold. To push the effect a bit further when needed, increase the text size slightly. A small size bump enhances visual weight and readability without making the text feel oversized. Try a minor increase and check how it sits within your layout, so the hierarchy of your design remains balanced. That's it. Start by checking for a built-in bold, black, or extra bold variant in your font family. If that's not available, use the shadow effect with a light touch on offset and transparency, and if necessary, nudge the text size up just a bit. With these simple adjustments, your text will read bolder and clearer while still fitting your design. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.